Hi, it's Dr. Ian Johnston continuing our series on playing in the sandbox with Cerner. During our last video we discussed how to organize the patient chart to make our workflow a bit more convenient. And now it's time to get started working on the chart itself. I'm going to start with an area which many of us will tend to gloss over. The problem list is an area which doesn't impact immediately on the patient's care, but in the long run it's actually quite important. It helps our health records people accurately code the chart so the hospital is appropriately funded, and it will help your colleagues down the road when they reopen this chart and want to get a quick snapshot of the issues that are at play in a given patient. So let's look back at the chart, and here we see a pediatric chart this time, nicely organized the way that I like it, and really nothing on it. For argument's sake, we'll say that this is a 5-year-old child who comes in with asthma. So I'm going to start with the problem list, and we can see that we can enter problems in several ways. We have the current problem. We also have chronic problems. And of course, some chronic problems are very relevant to the current visit. So this is a child with asthma. We'll add this in as a problem by simply typing it or dictating it, and we can see that we have many different variants, but very often the first one is perfectly adequate. I will add that in, and now we have asthma as a problem that's an issue presently. Now it so happens that this child also has ADHD, so we will add this in, but the ADHD really isn't relevant to this visit, so rather than as a this visit problem, I'm going to enter this as a chronic problem, and click enter, and away we go. One can certainly imagine that over many visits this list would get rather long and cumbersome. I think it would be very public-spirited if we edited them appropriately at various times, but the point remains that having a list of significant other diagnoses present at the top of a chart will be very helpful for all concerned who follow after you.